Hey guys, this is how to fix that verification code or the OTP is not received on your WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, you just need to open up your settings. Now click on the apps management, click on the app settings or simply open up your apps and then search here for your WhatsApp. Once you find it, simply click to open your WhatsApp. Then you will be here at the app info of your WhatsApp. So here you can see an option of force stop. Click on it. Then click on the storage and cache. Click on the clear cache first, then click on the clear storage. Right after that, you have to just uninstall your installed application of your WhatsApp. Once you're done, you have to just make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection and then again reinstall your WhatsApp from your Play Store and again complete all the steps of your WhatsApp, and then this time hopefully you will get the verification code or the OTP of your WhatsApp. And if the problem persists, then you just need to check your internet connection and make sure that the internet connection that you are using must be stable and supportive. If not, then you have to just turn on your airplane mode for a couple of the minutes, then turn it off and again try to check that if the verification code is received or not. If not, then you have to just wait for 3 to 4 hours. After this time, your problem will be fixed and you will get the verification code of your WhatsApp, and then you will be able to verify your WhatsApp and your problem will be fixed. And that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a sense for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.